Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience using the tool. We're taking a look at Voyager, found at voyager.nz. This web-based tool aims to simplify online research and knowledge management. It provides a centralized hub for gathering, organizing, and connecting your online resources. Think of it as a powerful bookmarking system on steroids. You're not just saving links, you're building a structured network of information. Voyager lets you easily save articles, PDFs, and web pages. It then extracts the key information, allowing you to search, filter, and rediscover your saved content with ease. Beyond simple bookmarking, Voyager offers features designed to enhance comprehension and facilitate deeper learning. You can highlight text, add annotations, and create connections between different pieces of information. This interconnectedness is where Voyager truly shines. By linking related resources, you can build a web of knowledge, visualizing how different ideas and concepts relate to each other. This visual representation can significantly boost understanding and retention. Imagine exploring a topic by navigating a network of interconnected ideas, rather than sifting through a disorganized list of bookmarks. Another key feature is the ability to synthesize information from multiple sources. Voyager helps you identify common themes and patterns across your saved resources, providing a more holistic view of a topic. This can be incredibly valuable for research projects, personal learning, or even just keeping up with the latest developments in a particular field. Voyager's user interface is designed to be clean and intuitive. The focus is on simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to quickly capture and organize your research materials. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply someone who wants to better manage their online information, Voyager might be a tool worth exploring. Give it a try and see how it can transform your research workflow. Again, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.